Good day, traders. This is Rich with some price action on the markets. It's been a while since I did a video. I did one on Saturday, but that was from previous, like a month ago, about a trade station platform setup of market depth and level 2, or the same thing. Today, I haven't been able to do after hour videos because I haven't really been trading much the past couple days, plus on Friday. Doing pretty good right now. Today was a great day for kind of a gap up chop market. Took a pretty strong trade early on. I almost went a little heavier on it, but I kept my rules intact and decided, okay, let's not force it. Let's not risk too much because it's a very fast acting stock, and I decided to hold on to fewer shares. So anyway, Alcoa, first after hours earnings event of the new season, or quarter two, are we? Can't even keep up with what's going on, but Alcoa got a little boost from its news, which was not great, but probably good enough for where we're at right now. I'm not going to worry about that. So we started the day gapped up pretty good. We made a move up to the north side by a couple points, and then just dropped off pretty good through lunchtime. Just chopped around, a couple setups in the late afternoon. So this is what you're going to see. You're going to see the fades. So pretty much the 9:30 to 11 is your trading window, and then it kind of fades off, and you kind of look for those high flying stocks to kind of pull back and try to get in on them during the lunchtime era, which is like 11:30 to like 2. You can see this nice move. I had to step away at 2 o'clock, and this little move set up a couple things that I missed, unfortunately. But I caught a little action at the end, which I'm pretty excited about because I was up pretty good, and I ended up really good at the end of the day. So let's go through a couple of them. All right, let's go with how I started. The 2-minute trade on JRJC, which is a pretty intense stock today. As you can see, the daily here, it gapped up from let's say 731 and pretty much opened at 30 and then fell off the rest of the day. Just not the stock you really want to hold on to. I think it's just a trader stock. So I was looking at this 2-minute candle here, and I was looking for the break of that, which if you look at it, the opening price is 29.56. So my goal was to take the break of the 29.56 level, and I jumped in at like 29.56. Actually, I think I got 29.59. As you can see, the price ran up to 31.40 in like a minute. So I was pretty much throwing out orders to get out after I got in. I had 200 shares, so I almost went with 400 shares. But in the end, this one trade got me $194.73. So that was a pretty good trade. One of my bigger ones in a while on a single gap play. But look what happened. It just fell off the face of the earth and dropped all the way down to the low here of 23.76. So I could have gotten hammered. So I got out quick, and that's how you got to trade those. Take the momentum to the north side, and hopefully it continues, but a lot of times it doesn't, so you just need to protect your entry, and that's what I did. The biggest miss today, and I mentioned this on the website, is Gene on a 2-minute. Pretty standard setup here. The break at this level, you can see here, I was looking at the break of, I think it was 277, and I did get in pretty quick. Got it to like 284. I think I got 9 cents. I'll tell you a second. I made more money than it looks. I made $90 on it, but I made less on this trade. So I made like $30 on this trade. It went against me on this candle here by like 4 cents after I took some gains. So I just defensively after that previous trade got out. So this has all happened really quick. I mean, within a few minutes of each other, if less. And look, you can see how it just ran all the way up here to 354, and then it pulled back a little bit, and then just didn't look back for a while. And then it went all the way up to 7, pulled back a little bit, and look at this, all the way up to, just kept going to 10. So we're talking about 276 entry all the way to 10. I think I traded about 700 shares on it from the beginning. And I mean, like I took a pullback trade here, and momentum kind of trade on this move or something. I don't remember. That's why I got the $90. But this was a stock. But look what happened. End of the day, we'll go to a 5 minute, make it easier. Pull back and all the way down to 562. So, these are the types of stocks that get a lot of play, low float, tons of volume, 371, just insane volume. And then tomorrow there'll be a new stock that will move like this. We've seen this time and time again. Until it stops happening, I'm gonna find these. I like these. I think these are these move. You just got to find your entry. You're not guessing. Of course, you're making an educated guess, but you're looking for the best setup. So on these pullbacks, there's pullbacks all the way down here. Even though it goes all the way down, but you can see the pullback here, move up. Then this one was a pretty bad one. But if you wait to the certain moving average, you can see how it bounced off that. So that's the type of thing you look for. I took an mRNA was a big news event last night, and it opened up pretty high and then just faded off. I took a break at this 84 level on these candles. Didn't get a big enough move. Forgot what I made on that. Not much. $15. Yeah, nothing big. So that was that one. The nice ending trade was Tesla. I noticed the 15.15 yesterday. I noticed it. You can see here was the high is 15.15. So I knew that was an action candle again, or an action spot, or inflection point, I guess you can say. And here finally broke through, and I missed this trade. This broke through the 15.15 and ran up to 15.20.50. So I know that 15.20 was my new entry at the end of the day, with the SPY growing pretty well. I looked at it and I took the 15.20 entry here with 10 shares. 10 shares. I repeat, 10 shares. So 10 shares is still $15,000. It's still a lot of money. I mean, that's on. They changed the margin rules with Tesla and everything. These are 1 minute candles, but as you can see, my 15.20 entry was here on this particular candle, and it just ran up, pulled back. I sold at the 30. I think I sold at the top here at this 36 level. Pulled back. I thought it was a genius, and it scoots up to 15.50. And I had like 3 shares at the time. But every point is $3, and it's going 30 points. It's $90. So at the end of the day, I ended up making $84. You can see how my quantity was too. Tesla, right? So yeah, I have the margin to buy, enough shares, where I can, really risk a lot of money. But I knew that I don't need to do that. I had a good day. I knew that 10 shares, if it was going to make the move, I thought I'd maybe go 10 points. So the whole goal was to make about $150 on a 10 share lot, which is quite a big move. But I knew that I just felt like it was going to make its run, and it did. If I had 100 shares, yeah, I mean, you're talking people. This is what it's all about. I mean, I did the best part about this trade. It never went against me. It was green right away, and it continued to the north side, and I just had to pick my spots to sell. I actually put in a stop loss about a point above my entry on the final shares and walked out of the room because I wanted to let it run, just not even think about it, and it did, and it ran another 4 points, and that's when I got out. Had I stayed out to the end of the day, it would have worked out even better. Probably would have been another $30-$40 in the bank, but no big deal. That's pretty much how the day went, and that's how we closed it out. So 381 on the day. I took a stupid trade. That was my only loser of the day, but that was for like $6. But took some nice ones today. I was feeling pretty good, pretty confident, and I'm liking where I'm going for the rest of the week. Got 2 more days of the trading week. Enjoy the weather, and I'll be back tomorrow hopefully. And make sure you like, comment, and share. Okay, have a good one.